Your iPhone has a name that shows up when you use AirDrop, connect to a Mac, create a hotspot, or pair Bluetooth accessories. Here's how to change it to something that makes more sense. Change your iPhone name. Go to Settings. Then General. Then About. At the very top, tap Name. The current name is highlighted and editable. Delete the existing name and type whatever you want. Your own name, or something simple like iPhone, whatever works for you. Tap Done on the keyboard when you're finished. The change takes effect immediately. Now that the name is changed, here's where you'll see it appear. This new name is what appears when you look for your iPhone in AirDrop on someone else's device. It's the name that shows up in Finder when you connect your iPhone to a Mac. It's the hotspot name that other devices see when you share your mobile data. And it's how your iPhone is identified in iCloud, in Find My, and in Bluetooth pairing lists. So it's worth having a name that makes it easy to identify as yours. And if you share a hotspot regularly, here's how to confirm that updated too. Verify the hotspot name updated. Go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot. The hotspot is now broadcast under your new iPhone name. If you're connected to a Mac or another device that had your hotspot saved under the old name, they may need to forget the network and reconnect under the new name. Simple change takes about 10 seconds. Useful if your iPhone is still called something like John's iPhone 11 and you've moved to a new device. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.